Here is a question that we are asked to solve. A couple little tricks here. There's brackets, so you'll need to use a distributive property, but also this negative sign out front of a bracket is a little tricky to worry about. If it helps, you can think of it being a -1, and then what you have to do is distribute the -1 to everything inside the bracket. So let me rewrite the question. 29 minus 3x plus 5 less than or equal to 2 times x plus 3 plus x. Okay, so I'm going to distribute that negative sign. So this will change to 29 minus 3x minus 5. Notice that you're not distributing the 29. You're taking the negative sign and distributing it to both of those. So basically what's inside changes sign. All right, less than or equal to 2, oh, I'll distribute that already. So that would be 2x plus 6 plus x. I guess I don't need that closed bracket right there. Okay, I think I'm looking good. Now let's collect like terms. 29 take away 5 would be 24 minus 3x less than or equal to, this side I'd have a 3x plus 6 if I gather things. I'm a left-handed solver, so let's move the x's to the left. So I'll subtract 3x here, subtract 3x there. So that'll be 24 minus 6x less than or equal to a plain 6. And now let's subtract 24 on each side. Love using color. So I'll have, these will cancel, so this will be a minus 6x less than or equal to, 6 take away 24, I think is a -18. Okay, feeling pretty good here. 6 will go into 18 as well. Life is looking good here. So let me just rewrite -6s less than or equal to -18. Now I'll divide both sides by a -6, -6. So these cancel, I'm left with x. On this side, I'm left with +3. Now it's a sign I have to worry about. Remember the rule when you're dealing with inequalities, that if you divide by a negative sign, you have to change that inequality. So instead of being a less than or equal to, this will change to a greater than or equal to. Okay, then they say to write your answer in interval notation. So this, if I expanded that a little bit, this would be set notation, which is nice to know too. I like to also do a number line. So I always give a 0 in the middle, and then they say it's +3, so that's there. And it's saying x is bigger than or equal to 3. So it's from 3 on up that way. And if it's equal to, I put a square bracket there. So that's a number line. And then to do interval notation, I'll put a square because it can equal 3. 3 is my lowest number. My highest number will be infinity, and infinity always has a curly bracket on it. So this would be my interval notation. All right, hopefully that helps you with that question.